just thought I would throw in a bit of a bonus video because it's it seems to be like a popular thing on YouTube. It's your like how-to stuff. And one of the fun things on Salesforce is gamification. And one of the kind of cute things you can do is have celebration confetti when a Salesforce record meets a certain stage. And I thought I'd just do the how-to Salesforce confetti tutorial, which is really quick and easy to do. Always try things like this out in the Sandbox first, and then when everyone's happy with it, you can deploy it across over to live, but I will just show you where to find it, and yeah, hopefully give you a little bit of something to look at if you haven't seen this before. This came out, oh God, probably 2 or 3 releases ago. Actually, probably longer than that. Oh God, it's probably been a year or so now. Yeah, it's probably been about a year. So what you do is you will need to head across to your setup, and what you would want to do is type in path. Now, path only works when you have record types, I think. Just, this is bugging me, it's very slow. Let me refresh. It's trying to do a million things like me. Sorry, so yeah, you need to do a few things. You need to think about and understand what you've got. So what you'll need to do first of all is just check out, I'm in a trailhead playground, so that's why I'm a little bit like quizzical at the moment, until I see what happens when we're in path. Okay, path settings, there we go. I don't know whether it's just my internet connection is slow or I'm going to blame it on that. Right, so it's taking its time. Okay, so if you haven't already, you will need to enable path, which, yeah, so this one isn't from scratch because it's to going at it. But I have to do this by scratch because I'm using my trailhead playground to show you this. So I am going to say this test. So at this point, you are going to select whatever, if you've got custom objects, it works on custom objects as well, but you're going to choose what object to celebrate on. So normally speaking, it would be opportunity because it is, well, not even normally, but yeah, probably the most popular one would be that. So this is the thing. So if you do have multiple record types, then this will be the opportunity that you'll have to select what record type that this is going to fire on. So if you have more than 1 or 2 or 3, you're going to actually have to apply your celebration to each and every one of them, which is a little bit fiddly. Okay, and so then what you'll need is the pick list field that you get to celebrate on. So with opportunity, it'll be stage. So once you've named everything, you've selected your object, you've selected the pick list, which is going to be stage. In my case, I'm going to be tracking my stages of my opportunity. So this, when you're setting up your path, this is basically allowing you to provide guidance notes to your users as to what your business or organization is expecting to happen at each stage. And then you might put some validation in to say, well, you can't move on to the next stage until you've completed all these fields or what have you. But it is a really nice little way to say, okay, at the prospecting stage or our opportunity path, we expect you, and then you can type in the guidance and you do it for every single stage if you so wish. You can then even add in, well, we want you to fill in the amount, and then that will show up on there for the user. And you quite literally just go through each one that is relevant to yourself. So once all that's done, and for some people this would have already have been done those pieces before, so now you have the option to celebrate with the confetti. So when a user reaches a specific step in the path, you can help them celebrate with confetti. Activate your path if you aren't ready. So I want to activate my path, and now I want to celebrate. So I have to do that the other way around because there's a brand new path. So I'll say every single time, so always, I want the confetti to fire on close one. So then that's my path all set up, my celebration set up. But again, if I am an existing, very established Salesforce org, I'm probably going to have to go back in to all my different paths that have been set up. Some have got my lead, etc., and whichever point you want to celebrate, you pop it in. So now we have to do a test record because this is a brand new instance. And let that load. So I'm going to go to opportunities and all opportunities. Yes, there's stuff in here. That's great. So this one here, oopsies, I clicked on something too quick. The MacBook thingy was a bit too thingy. Anyway, so opportunities, go back there. Now I want to use one that's not closed one. I want to use one that's not at that stage. And I'm going to go to proposal, this one. So yeah, this is, again, got a funny URL because I'm using a Trailhead organization. So you will see that your path is up here and it's reflecting the stage down the bottom. If your path is not showing, it does mean that you have to update your Lightning page layout. I will just quickly show you how to do that because I'm so generous. Okay, so I'm going to go closed, and I'm going to go closed one and save this. And I get the confetti, which is nice for users if they haven't been treated to something exciting in Salesforce in the past. So anyway, so that's that. But like I said, if you've done that back end work and then you don't see that path on your layout, there's one spot really that it could only ever really be. So when you go to edit page, this is going to bring up your Lightning page layout. So not page layout for the object, but the Lightning page layout. So because this is a brand new org, there is only one opportunity page layout in existence, but you will have to go through the steps to create Lightning page record, Lightning page layouts for record types that you may have. Again, once your org gets interesting, you get lots of record types and lots of page layouts. You must also think about updating that. So all it is obviously you can see ours on here, but if that wasn't on here, so just delete that. If that wasn't on here, you've got these little, I call them widgets, but they're components down the side here, and you will just need to find path and drag it to where you want it to live, and normally it will live there. And that's how you do that, and you save it, and then you might want to activate it. You might have different profiles that should see this Lightning layout. Not all profiles should see it, so there's a little bit of background work that you might need to do around who needs to see what, which app should that layout now live in, and which profiles should see it. So yeah, before you get become too hasty, just plan out before you make changes to a layout of who does that need to change for. Do you have permission to change it in your organisation? But that would be the reason why it's not showing. If you've done all that nice work and yeah, it not appear, that is the other place you need to look for it. So I hope that was interesting, and I will see you next time.